Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix unable to do comments on Instagram post in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and when you have open your Instagram and want to do comment on any post or any reel and facing the issue that you have not access to do comment. So guys, how can you fix this problem? Easily you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Instagram app, and guys, after opening your Instagram, as you can see here, simply you need to click on your main profile, and guys you need to click on three lines, and guys first of all you need to click on settings and privacy, and guys after this you need to check that if you have any kind of violation on your account or not. So guys, if you have, then guys simply you need to click on account status and check that any post to have violate any community guidelines or not. So guys, this problem is occur when you have violate any community guidelines of Instagram. So guys, simply first of all you need to check from here, and guys you need to delete that post, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys after deleting your post your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on comments, and guys you need to here the option that is everyone. Simply you need to select on this one, and guys after doing this you need to go back, and guys simply if you have blocked anyone from here, then guys simply you need to unblock them from here, and guys you need to go back, and guys last step is you need to click on help, click on report a problem, and guys after this you need to click on include and continue, and guys here you need to write your problem that you are not able to do comment on Instagram post, and guys you need to give them reason due to your post that against to community guidelines of Instagram, and guys after telling your problem and apologize, then guys you need to write here your username and email address, and guys simply you need to submit your problem, and within few minutes your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.